What? There's a right behind you. It's going to drop off. Whoa, 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 whoa. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I went out with a few buddies to Flagpole Knob Trails near Harrisonburg, Virginia for what we thought was going to be a nice, relaxing day on the trail. As you could probably tell from the little teaser clip in the beginning of the video, things did not really go as planned. Not only for that, the almost tip over, but it was just extremely icy. So I did put together a little video for the day. Hope you enjoy it. There was a lot of stuff that I was not able to capture on camera just for the simple fact that all of the trucks were spread apart farther than normal just for basic safety reasons, since on many of the hills we lost control quite a bit, had some scary moments, and if we were more closely packed we would have slammed into each other. So just because of that, and I was in the rear for most of this, I wasn't able to record a ton of the stuff, but I did get some dash cam and other GoPro footage from a few of the guys who experienced some of the same conditions I did. If you would like to see a full synopsis, my buddy Eat Sleep Tacos on Tacoma World did a great write-up that he posted on his build thread on Tacoma World, which is called The Lair. I will go ahead and link that down in the description, so I do encourage you to check that out. It does capture the theme for the day rather nicely, which is ice, recovery, and general mayhem. There you go. Thought you had it. Go.
I think it's gonna happen.
Yeah, because after that big rut, there's like a medium rut. It's just,
yeah,
there's no momentum.
Oh, well.
Burning your tire pretty good down there on that rock.
I believe it. I'm just gonna. Is my tire straight?
No.
Which way do I need to turn to get straight?
That way about 30 degrees. Right there straight. Yeah.
Back where I did. Oh well, that's harder than I thought.
Yeah. For the next clip you're about to see, something happened to another one of my buddies in a 4Runner that I experienced myself. Actually, I think all of us experienced this, just because the hill we were traversing was so steep and was completely covered in ice, with the exception of a small part on the right side of the trail where it seemed like each of us would get to the top of the hill, lose traction, and begin sliding backwards. It was probably about 20 miles an hour, which when you're sliding out of control like that, 20 miles an hour feels like about 50 miles an hour, believe me, because the exact same thing happened to me. And each of us probably slid uncontrolled like that with the brakes smashed backwards down the hill, probably for about 100 feet, which again, just like the speed, sliding 100 feet like that out of control felt like a mile. So here's a quick clip showing some dash cam footage from one of those incidents.
And today's moment of pucker is brought to you by David Attenborough.
Close. Yeah. What? There's a right behind you. It's going to drop off. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't back up anymore.
Have to hook up the winch.
Yeah, you guys gotta.
Or at least tie off
Jesus.
on the tree so it doesn't go further.
Yeah, I wouldn't even, if you get out, that's weight that's not on that side.
Yeah, I'm not getting off.
No.
Yeah.
Does your winch work?
It's not hooked up, but yeah, it works. I just have to hook it up to the battery.
I was gonna say, hook you to that tree. That'll keep you from tipping over backwards at least.
Yeah.
Or if Jerry can do it.
Yeah, you guys can sit in this passenger side.
I'm not doing that. What are you trying to do? Like get in
What?
on that passenger side. Yeah.
So first of all, she should get out. If she gets out, there's less weight on that side.
Yeah. Just don't do anything yet.
This has been an eventful day.
This is a class in off-road recovery.
Well, we've towed.
We're not using the snatch block. We've done self-recovery. What are the options?
Okay, hold on.
Let me get out of the way, please. I don't want to die today.
Probably a good
I've already
idea.
had a near-death experience.
Yeah, let me get out of this.
We're still all on the same page. We're gonna pull you back up flat.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go back this way. Okay. We should get him a little higher.
Alright.
Just straighten your
Keep
wheels
going.
out. Go really slow for that snatch block. Hold on. Go straight. Straighten your wheels out. Okay, stop.
One eternity later.
Oh, you can put, I've seen people make like sandwich. Yeah. No, I'm saying they make cast iron. They make waffle, cast iron waffle things that you can use on the trail. I knew you weren't going to be in it this time. So just for the record, we have no sliders.
Oh, really?
No sliders. That's big steps.
Oh,
Currently
yeah,
on the rocks.
they're hitting. Oh.
No, stop. Don't turn that way. You gotta turn this way. There you go.
Follow the guide. That's what they're for.
Keep turning this way. Alright.
Yeah, they're nice and bent up. Bottom of the lower part of the trail. Okay, so you guys look over by the yeah, I see this. North Kings Highway.
Whoa. This is the Tacoma Snatch Strap Chain. You got a big tree like right behind you right here. It's not big, but it's like a big bush.
We've got bush.
Right behind your tire. clear. There's that bush right there. I think they're just trying to go straight. I don't know. There it goes. Yeah. Good. Not even close.
Yeah.
Should maybe try to pull him out and then have him winch to him once he's up here settled, maybe. I don't know. I don't think he moved at all, did he? I don't think it moved him at all. You moved sideways about 5 feet.
That's why I was worried about that book.
Yeah.
He ended up in the same position again, he said.
Well, we finally made it off the mountain. It was dark. We were all cold, tired, hungry, all that fun stuff, but we made it off. No one got hurt. Very minimal damage, so thank God for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you in the next one.